I'm in a BMW Z4 Roadster M40i. Next to me is a Porsche Boxster GTS, and next to that is an Audi TT-S Roadster, and we're going to have a drag race. I've got a 3-litre straight 6 turbocharged engine with 340 horsepower, 500 Newton meters of torque. I'm rear wheel drive. I've got an 8-speed automatic gearbox with a sort of launch control. The Audi TT-S Roadster, it has a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine with 306 horsepower, 400 Newton meters of torque, and it has quattro all-wheel drive. To tell you about the Porsche, I have Yanni from Yanni Mize.
So go on, Yanni, tell us about the Boxster.
So mine is 2.5 litre 4-cylinder, about 365 brake horsepower. It's very similar to like a Subaru configuration, I think.
Yeah, the Boxster used to have 6 cylinders. It's going to be interesting to see how that performs. Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, follow me on Instagram. My personal account is @MattWatsonCars.
Now, before you race, we should definitely be in roof down mode.
So let's have a roof race. The way this is going to work is,
when I say go,
take the roof off.
Roof down, and when
the roof says it's completed and you get a bong, hit your horn to signify that it's completed, and we'll see which does it the quickest.
3,
2,
1.
go! Come on BMW. When's the bong?
Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Talk about a delayed reaction over there.
I lost that. However, I think there's something I could win.
The sound of this car is epic. Let's have a listen.
Have a listen to your car, Yanni.
Yeah, that's not impressive.
Let's just hear the TT as well, see what that's like.
Is he even revving that? Is that being revved?
That's worse than mine.
I can't even hear it from over here.
This definitely sounds the best, doesn't it?
Yeah, you win this one.
Now, what do you think? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to vote which car you think sounds the best. This BMW, the Porsche, or the Audi. Enough of that nonsense. I'm just going to put my windows up and get on with the race.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, good start.
Oh, he cheated. He got off well early.
No, come on. Oh, I went sideways.
What a cheat.
Oh, it's close.
Come on. Oh, hello.
Oh no, the box is coming now. Come on, move.
Even though you cheated, I've still got you.
Come on, come on.
Bye.
Come on. Damn it.
Matt, you know you cheated at the start.
3, 2, 1.
Was it really bad, my cheating?
Really bad.
1.
Really, really bad, I swear to God, Matt.
Even though you cheated, I still beat you.
Cigar out, relax.
And even had the audacity to look across.
At least you were waving and you weren't
Give me another hand gesture.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, a slow motion replay of the start shows that I didn't in fact launch before the starter's hands had begun to move down. That means I didn't cheat, as Yanni had claimed I did. For once, I just reacted quicker than him, but this didn't help me. The Porsche Boxster GTS still crossed the line first, completing the standing quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. The BMW Z4 M40i took 12.3 seconds. And the Audi TT-S Roadster took 12.7 seconds, despite benefiting from all-wheel drive.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour in third gear. I'm going to count it in. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, BMW! Oh,
It's fun.
Today, isn't it? That was so close. I mean, I picked up better than you and got ahead, and then you just kind of came past and were in like 4th or 5th gear.
Oh, the seat keeps coming forward. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I was playing around with the seat
While I was beating you as well.
So basically you were operating the car.
While beating me. So you, at one moment you're waving, then the next thing you're just operating the car.
Okay, we're going to have a brake test. What are you going to do this time? Maybe get out and do some maintenance. You know the drill. 70 miles an hour, hit the cone, full emergency stop. Here we go. Yanni loves to cheat on this.
Three 3-0.
Wait a minute. Let's have a closer look at that again. It appears Yanni lifted off his accelerator before he reached the cone, thereby giving himself a sneaky advantage. And the TT seemed to follow his lead. I'm disqualifying both him and the Audi from the brake test for cheating. And so Yanni, it was actually only 2-1 to you in the end.